Hi there, it's Driveway DIY. Just going to show you how to change your bulbs on your rear brake light unit. It's got reverse, indicator, lights, brake lights. Any of those go out, you're going to have to change it. So this is a Vauxhall Zafira 1.6. So I'm going to show you how to change it. First thing you do, you've got to get the headlight unit off. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. So to take the actual unit off, what you've got to do, you've got to come inside the rear of the car, the boot of the car. You've got an inspection hatch here and you've got an inspection hatch here. There's a screw at the other end of that, which I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, you can see it's a torque screw as well. I'm not sure what size it is, but you've got to take that out and it should come straight out. So to take the inspection fronts off, doors off, you just pull the tabs like that. It should just clip out. And then the top one, like I said before, you've got a T25, so you just screw that out. Best use a head with a magnet on it, so it just comes straight out. Well, it's alright if you lose it, you don't want to lose it, but so to get it, you just pull that out. Actually, you don't need to take the screw out, that's actually attached, so don't worry about the screw, that just comes straight out. Which is a bit, that's just, yeah, so that just comes straight out, so I'm going to screw that back in. There you go, so you don't even need that, so that comes straight out, and they're both inspection panels come straight out. So as you can see, there's my light. There, you got one there, and there's one down the bottom there as well. You got the white tabs. There's two white tabs. They've got a socket. You can use a socket on it. It's 17mm, but you can, if they're only hand tight, you can actually just use your hands. So hopefully. No, these aren't. So I'm going to have to go and get a 17mm spanner. But there you go. Use a 17mm socket on that. So I'm just going to loosen them off. There you go. Same as one down the bottom. So like I say, it's a 17mm. So let's just loosen them off. There is there's a connector in there as well, so you're going to have to loosen that off as well, but it's probably best to do that when the light's out, unless you've got small hands. Do them off pretty quick. And then the unit just prizes away, as you can see. So what you've got to do now we're outside the car, you've got a tab there, seal there as well. It just comes over that. And inside, hopefully you can see the connector there, just push it in, it just comes away. And there you go, there's your light unit. So to change the bulbs as well, all you do, you've got the back area here. No, not like some, there's screws in them, these ones aren't, so you've got two tabs. Just pull it. You do have to grapple with it a little bit, just be careful. And you just come out and there's your lights. So just change the bulb, which one you have to do, make sure you go to your manufacturer's specs to see what bulbs you need. Obviously different models can have different bulbs and different setups. So just change your bulb and then put it back in. I mean, what I mean, just to change your bulb is just press in. So you just press in, take out, and then to put it back in, press it in, move it back in, turn it. So press in, take it out, it's clockwise, then press in clockwise, put it back in, and then everything else is just reverse. So hopefully this has helped you. Thanks for watching. It's quite a short video, but it is a fairly simple job. Obviously each side just might be different, but it's the actual unit is the same. So thanks for watching.